Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to start by checking the fundamentals so changes apply. Open Settings and go straight to General, then Date and Time. Make sure your iPad is online and updated. If it isn't, install the iOS update first because TimeSync uses Apple servers. Once you're in Date and Time, you'll see Set Automatically. Toggle it off briefly to force a manual check, then turn it back on to let the system resync with the network time servers. Now you'll handle the trickier parts that often block fixes. If automatic time still looks wrong, switch Set Automatically off and pick the correct time zone manually. This isolates server vs. local issues. Make sure Location Services is enabled for system services so time zone detection works. Also, inspect any VPN or MDM profiles in settings that can override time. Disable them temporarily to test. Once adjusted, finish by restarting your iPad to apply changes system-wide, then open Clock and Calendar to verify consistency across apps. If the clock still drifts or won't sync, reset network settings to clear DNS or carrier hiccups that block time servers. Make sure you rejoin Wi-Fi after the reset. If problems persist, try reset all settings to preserve data but restore system defaults. And if that fails, contact Apple support. They can check hardware clock issues or account-level blocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.